What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at some screeners. I want to revisit a screener that could be showing some results. That is my missed 200% opportunity scanner, in parentheses, not anymore. This was based off of a stock that ran 200%, completely under the radar. So I built a scanner. You can see all of these parameters here. Um, Basically showing that it is a low float stock where the target price is above the current price. The price to earnings is low. Very low debt, good cash position. They're profitable. And also their gross margins are over 15%. So all fantastic parameters to see potential stocks. So we have Acme Unlimited. We'll just go ahead and open all these up as I continue to talk because it will take them just a moment to load. All right. So as we can see just right here, look at all of these PEs ranging from 8.39 down to 4.8, with the prices also ranging from $10 to $183. Volume, oh my gosh, look at these. This volume is very sparse. Typically, we like to see volume of companies over 200,000. However, you'll often find companies that are hidden gems will have lower volume. A lot of people like myself will notice them and slowly get into it. Dollar cost average in, ride the waves, because there's usually a pattern or trend that the stock follows. Perfect one is ticker symbol KRT, one of my all-time favorites, Carrot Packaging. Again, they get maybe 30,000 shares volume a day, sometimes 60. And the stock has went from 18 to now 31. So, and that's over 2 years. So, yeah. Anyway, let's go ahead and just click on the first one. Let's get it to load and see if we can find anything that's great. Let's go ahead and get this loaded. ACU. And let's see if I've charted this one before. ACU Acme. I have charted this one before. Looks like it is bouncing off support here, which is fantastic. Wow. All right. Cool. So ACU, gonna go ahead and open up the monthly. We like to look at the bigger picture and whittle our way down. All right. Potential cup and handle, left cup, right cup, throwback, and then we try to break out and it gets rejected. Stock is respecting the 50 SMA on the monthly, which is huge. All right, strength is with the bears, momentum is with the bears, money flow is going down, but we're going to validate that. Again, our relative momentum indicator is also heading down. So is this going to continue heading down? I'm going to say quite possibly. The 50 SMA has been tested twice already. We are now in February, so on Monday the 3rd, which is a couple days ago, today's Wednesday, there will be a new candle here. The chances of it testing $34.58, there's a high chance it will test it again in February. So, looks like they have peaked. You can see here sales on a trailing 12-month basis, 190 million, 2023, 181 million. 2022, they did 193 million. EPS 4.86 for 2023. Let's go ahead and just validate that really quick. 4.83 for 2023, 2024. Where am I at? 4.86, 4.76. So they're actually trending down. 4.86, yeah. So they're slightly trending down. I think, do we have it open here? I think we have to look at a bigger pattern. So let's go here. right about, we could go all the way right there. It's kind of choppy. I like it there. We're gonna have to go here. Yeah. Okay. So I think we will definitely see $33 again, potentially get back into this channel. So potentially $27, $28. I'm not going to go any further with this one because we do have pretty good indication the company looks like it is consolidating on a larger time frame. Now, this is a very beautiful company. There's like no shares available. I mean, low float. There's a very low float. They offer a dividend. They're profitable. They make 190 million plus dollars a year. Over the past 5 years through COVID, they've been positive on sales and EPS. So overall, fantastic company. But they are just consolidating on the larger time frame. So again, we saw consolidation here, rise, consolidation here, rise. Now we might see another consolidation down to 27, 28. So I would just put that on the watch list. So we'll just set an alert here. Set alert. And we're going to set the alert for $27. ACU price below, we'll do 27.79. Nope. Okay, perfect. So we've created an alert. ACU looks good, however, just consolidating on the larger time frame. Good for them. AMR, I didn't even get to check the institutional ownership because it really was not a factor. Okay, AMR, let's open it up to the big. And let's open up. I could have swore I've charted this one before. I have not charted this one before, I guess. So, definitely in a downtrend, obviously. Captain Obvious. Okay. Right there, yeah. Okay, so they are heading down. Let's just go and check. It looks like they stopped offering a dividend, which I love when companies stop offering a dividend because it shows that they need to make sacrifices to move forward sometimes. Strength is with the Bears. With the Bear, yeah, this is all with the Bears right now. Sales 3.3 billion. 2023 was 3.47. EPS is going downhill. Let's go look at 2024 EPS annually. Ooh, yeah, EPS is going down big time. Okay, so again, another one that's consolidating. It's going to need some big consolidation, likely at 160, around 160, and then possibly even 130. No debt, but again, it looks like they peaked in 2022 in terms of EPS and sales. So, this one is definitely worth coming back to when the price gets below 127. So we're just going to set that alert. All right. So again, it's just it needs to come down further, in my opinion. Excuse me. Yeah, I mean it's just it's going back. It's consolidating on a larger time frame again. So we want to see again consolidation of the stock price for 3 months or 4 month, 3 to 6 months like this. We want to see something like this where it consolidates for about a year in the same time frame, and then it jumps over 200%. Give me a break. We'll drink coffee to that. So this one's consolidating on the bigger picture. We're not even gonna entertain that one anymore. Now we're gonna look at CMT. Come on, please give us something good to eat here. Core molding technology. I swung trade this one in 2023. Ooh, baby. Ooh, it's fallen out of this wedge. Cool. So I think we might be getting actually to a good point for this one. Possibly. Possibly. No promises. While that's loading, let's just go ahead and chart really quick. A little bit more. I mean, I don't know what else we could really chart. We were in a huge ascending triangle on the monthly here. Actually, I know what we can chart. Cycle low to cycle high, baby. Great respect. Great respect. Definitely watching to see if this comes and tests 1178. Yep, 1178 is going to be the next area to watch here. Okay. But again, if this company is doing well, it's something I would easily dollar cost average into it now to $11. So we'll go ahead and just, this is taking forever to load. I don't know why. Here we go. All right, let's open the bigger picture. All right. Let's just look at institutional ownership here. Wow, institutional ownership is loading down here. Okay. That's pretty cool to see. So I'm guessing if this one's turning around, strength is with the Bears. Momentum is kind of with the Bulls here just a little bit. Money flow is going up with the Bulls. Again, we did see that just a moment ago. Okay, 2023 they did 357. Okay, here's where it's big. EPS they did 2.31. 2023 1.76. Gosh dang, come on. That's rough. So they're also consolidating. They're consolidating, but they're very cheap. Very cheap. I think this might get to 11. It's priced. So even if I did run my calculator here, it would show us like a $20 stock probably. They're doing well here. They're profitable. So I think this again is just one we're just gonna have to be patient on. If we can get it at 11, that's fantastic. Let's just be sure here. So we want to see if the stock breaks below $12 basically. Yeah, look at this. Just here's that ascending triangle I was showing you guys, and boom, it's fallen out. $11 is around the bottom of this Bollinger Band, which would be nice. That would be a good area to add. So we're going to set an alert if the price goes below 12. All right. Again, not seeing anything that's like, you know, amazing yet, but we're only halfway through, so we'll stay optimistic. Oh, nice. I've done this one before. Oh, baby, look at this. What am I doing? Come on. Jeez Louise. Apologies for that. Okay. It is now potentially, it is back in this channel. I think we might see this get to 44. Maybe. I'm hoping we see some positive stuff here. This could be potentially the one we've been waiting for. It's a railroad. You know what? We don't discriminate against industries. Okay. Strength is about neutral. I would say, oh, wait. Okay, we're on the monthly. Strength is with the Bulls. Momentum is with the Bulls. Money flow, we're going to validate that here in a moment. All right, let's see. Okay, so 2023, 543 million, trailing 12 months, 537. So they haven't reported Q4 earnings yet. What we'll need to see is a decent or a surprise beat on revenue by 7 million, because that will put them, if we had 7 million here, that puts them at 2023's levels. So as long as whatever they report $7 million more, and then hopefully we're looking good here. And 2022 was the bottom, and then 2023 is a rise, 2024 is a rise, etc. EPS 2023 was 0.13. EPS 2024 is 3.89. Huge, 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 huge. This candle right here makes a whole lot of sense. Wow. How big of a move was that? 18 to 28 bucks. And we're looking good for February. Wow. And very little resistance going back to the 40 level, which I had charted out. I think we found ourselves a winner chicken dinner. Institutions own 74.99%. That is old data. New data is 98%. Look at this. My alarms are going off here. We may have found one worth getting into. Very low debt, good cash, profitable, undervalued, decent gross margins. I just want to see how they're looking really quick. Gross profit beat Q1 2023. Did not beat Q2 2023. Did not beat Q2 and Q3 of this year. Did not beat last year. However, they're still doing well. Okay, buys. Nothing really spectacular here. Gross margins, are they getting better? Gross margin of 23%. That's huge. A little bit more efficiency there. A little bit more efficiency. Cost of goods 105 compared to 118. Yeah, good for them. Why was it? Oh yeah, because we're looking at annually. So yeah. Q1 beat, Q2 did not beat, Q3 did not beat. Wait, I'm looking at the wrong thing. Gross profits. Q1 beat, Q2 did not beat, Q3 did beat. Total revenues. Q1 beat, Q2 did not beat, Q3 did not beat. But gross profit definitely looks more efficient. They spent 105, made 31. Last year they spent 118, made 26. So good for them. We like this one. I would look at getting into this one February, tomorrow. I could buy almost one share of it and just watch it. I like this one. Is there a chance we come back down to this channel? Possibly 22? Possibly, but I think we see pretty much clear skies this way. Like, we do have some older supports we'll probably have to break through here. Let's do some really quick. So that's going to be a resistance right there. Resistance number 1. Number 2. Number 3. It's all really iffy right there. It's kind of. Here. Didn't go. Okay. So there's going to be some turbulence ahead, but I mean, this is looking nice. Looking very nice. Potential cup and handle, actually. Left side of the cup, right side of the cup. Coming down to touch that 22 level that we saw. What was it? 22 would be absolutely perfect. And this was as low as $14 4 months ago. Now it's at 28. Absolutely incredible. So yeah, we will be watching this one, definitely. Writing it down. FSTR. Cool. So this one's looking just fantastic. Watch for 22 potentially. Throwback. If we see this, this is a very bullish candle right here, so it could really just run and I would miss it. But we'll see. So just depends. Not bad at all. Whoops. Okay. And then Fintel PDS. PDS. Do I have this one charted? I do not. Precision drilling. This is a great consolidation here, if you ask me. It's trading at levels, gosh, back from 2018. Levels all the way back to 2009. And I think this is oil, so this could be a huge, huge, huge opportunity. Let's just draw some lines here for a minute. Ooh, it fell below. It's kind of falling below. That's a little bit scatty. Depends on what time frame you're looking. Maybe get down to 54.15. That might be an area to watch, but let's see what we're looking at. Let's see what we're dealing with here. Canada. So are we gonna, oh, you know what? I don't think we're gonna be exporting oil from Canada, US. Also the tariffs that Trump just put in place, and now we're in like a little battle with Canada. So gosh, that actually has a lot more meaning than I think here. This break right here, I think that means a lot more than we're thinking. 2023, 15.58. Let's just confirm. EPS. Oof, EPS going downhill. 2023, 1.44 billion, trailing 12 months, 1.43. They have earnings next week. I believe next week. Yeah, next Wednesday, a week from today, once this video is released. Very undervalued. However, it does, you got to think about the impact with the US. Does it show where it exports? Yeah, definitely probably gonna see a crazy swing Monday the 3rd for this. Quite a bit, actually, I'm sorry, little debt, good quick ratio, good cash, they're profitable. I'm surprised they don't offer a dividend. 20, almost 9, almost, well, it's 19.2% gross margins, not bad. Very low float, could be easily manipulated if a lot of money comes in. I would say wait on this one just with what's going on with oil, US, Canada, tariffs, tax, etc. So definitely put this one on the back burner. However, this might have a lot more meaning than I'm thinking right here, this candle. It's again, it's right below this long-term support that goes all the way back to 2021. So yeah, we're gonna have to pass on that. I wonder what big money is doing. Institutions on 51%. That's old data. New data is 55. However, it's flattish, but let's see. Who got out on Friday? Sanctuary Advisors, Baron Wealth, GPS Wealth got out. Yeah. So, yeah. This one is just off limits at the moment, just with what's going on at the geopolitical level. So we're gonna pass on this one regardless. It is very cheap. However, the trend is your friend until the end, and the trend looks like it might get a little bloody. So we're gonna wait. So we're passing on this one. And we are finally with VIRC. Working on the real. Okay, VRIC. No. What in the what in the what? Why didn't I get in when I was charting this down at $2? Don't know. But good candle here. I need to go back and see what okay, so it looks like okay, this is what I'm interpreting. These larger arcs right here is the sell, sell. So sell the top, sell the top, sell the top. Let's just make it a different color really quick because it's a little like purple. So sell the top here right in the middle, sell the top here right in the middle, sell the top here right in the middle. So we also have here sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. So we have two sell signals right here. 2027, May 2027. That's going to be very interesting. So what's going to happen? I think we might see a huge run up. Sell, you're going to want to sell from September 2026 to June 2027. So that means there could be a large run up, but the business has to be showing us that. So I'm really hoping we found a beautiful stock here. We're gonna look at the bigger picture as always. I'm hoping this is like potential beautiful reversal candle. However, you gotta pay attention to the facts. We've got a huge run up, throwback, lower high, throwback, maybe a lower high, throwback. So let's just see what's going on here. All right, we're seeing really good stuff actually. 2024, they did 269 million. Trailing 12 months, 280 million. So they are growing. They're offering a dividend. They have good cash, low debt, very cheap at today's levels, very low float. Old data shows institutions of 49%. Please be like 70. New data is 57. Ooh, mama. Look at that. Wow. 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 Okay. Gross margins 43%. That's beautiful. Is the EPS growing as well? 1.3. Okay, so it is 2023, 2024. This looks exactly why I created this calculator. So let's run the numbers here because this is our most promising one. We're not going to include the market cap if a stock has a market cap under 1 billion. This is not under 1 billion. This is exactly what my calculator was for. So we're not going to include that. Income is 25 million, 30,000. Sales 280 million, 380,000. All right. I mean, all this looks fantastic. Just continue onward. I don't want to get distracted. I don't want to do annual. I want to do quarterly cash. Quarterly cash. 38,886,000. Debt 41,320,000. All right. And let's just go down here. Total assets 210 million, total liabilities 94 million. Assets dwarf liabilities 2 to 1. Great. Checks it off there. What is this company? Engages production, distribution of furniture, mobile tables, mobile storage, desk, computer. I like that. Vanguard. Look at all these ads right here. Renaissance Technologies, good for them. They always get in early. Let's see. Renaissance. I'm sorry, I'm deviating from our they sold some back in November, but they still have a ton of shares. So good for them. Back to our calculation. Okay. Shares outstanding 16,290,000. Potential stock price of $18.60. Stock is at $10.90. This is a screamer of a dreamer. This is VIRC. This is great. This is something I'm getting into. I will get into this one most likely. I will add from $10 all the way down to $5. Again, this is going to be in my Robinhood weekly account, so I get I put $25 in there every week. I will add, this is going on sale. I like to add when companies go on sale. This company is getting stronger. Institutions, hedge funds are adding. EPS, like they're growing in a lot of segments. Fantastic gross margins. Low float stock. I mean, extremely undervalued. Finviz gives this a 1. I give this a 1. Target price. Analysts have $17. I have $18.60. So they're copying my value calculator. So anyway, I will be buying into this one, whether it's in my Robinhood fund or other brokerages. So yeah, this is probably our #1 best for last. So if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one.